Hello, today I'm going to show you Google Sites and how you can set up a website for your class. First, make sure that you're logged into Google, and then go to the 3x3 grid showing the Google Apps. Scroll down to Google Sites and click on Google Sites. You'll be brought to the place where you can start a new site from blank, or you can choose one of the templates that they already start for you. For this purposes, I'll show you the blank one. Click on that. And here is the beginnings of your website. First, give your site a title. I will just call it my room number now. And when you do that, automatically puts that title right here. And then this is your home page, and you want to give your home page a title as well. And anytime you put in text, you have all the options right up here to change it, the size, the font, everything there. And this is your home page, and you can make this image here anything you want and change it right here. You can upload your own image, or you can select an image from their gallery, or you can search or use your Google Drive, any of these options. I can select this one here. As soon as it's selected, you can put it in there. And then what it does is it automatically checks this font here for you with this readability adjustment. You can turn that on or off if you want to keep your colors as well. Then when you want to add some content, you can insert any of these four things right here: a text box, an image, something from your Google Drive, or you can embed anything. You can also double click on an area and those four options show up from right here. Okay, and you can put a text in like that and it'll open up a new section. You can put your text in, whatever you want to say to this. And then once you're done, you have the options of shrinking it down, making it larger. You can actually pick up the whole thing and move it and center it right here, and it kind of gives you those guidelines, which is really nice. And then if you want to add another section, you can just go down and double click, and this comes up again, and you can add something else. So if you want to add an image, you can grab that from your Google Drive, from your photos. You can even search for an image on Google. I'll just select one that I already have here. As soon as you select it, you can click Insert. And then that brings up your image here. And you can crop it and delete it here if you want. You can more editing options here, but you can also just adjust it from here. You can make it bigger. If you want it bigger, you can go back here to uncrop, and it will take it and make it back to the original size. And just like the text, you can put that into the center. You can even move it up next to the writing. Very easy to adjust all of these things. And then if you want, you're like, wait a minute, I want this picture first, you can grab this section here and you can move it above this section here. And then it moves it for you. So it very easily can move sections around and insert images or anything from your Google Drive. Then if you want to add to pages, you click to pages here. You're on your home page, and if you want to add a page, you just name it, and I can do math. Then it adds the math page. And when it does that, it automatically copies the same heading here, and you now have a home page and a math page. You could do the same things, changing the image, adding anything you want. And if you don't want to think about getting your own images and stuff, you can also check one of these themes and just click on that, and it kind of changes everything for you and puts it in there. The only thing that stays the same is the image that you chose. So the last thing you do in order to get your web page up and running is you click this publish right here. It's going to take what you just created and it will publish it. It'll give you a chance to do your room site right here. And then you just click publish. And there it is. If you would like to go see it, you can view the published site right here. And this is what your website will look like. And you can click through the home page, the math page, and you can just exit this and go back and continue editing if you want, add more pages if you want. It's that simple to make a website for your class. Thank you.